Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chef Naz Life is Spice. So what's cooking today? Today we are cooking something which I used to have at my friend's restaurant a long time ago, let's say. It's a stuffed curry, but not like what you've seen before. This is more of a stuffed karahi. It's a very quick dish that we used to cook end of the night. It's not cooked with whole chicken. It's cooked with chicken strips. So this chicken breast that's been cut into little strips. And it's very basic. It's just cooked with some onions, some sliced tomatoes, a couple of sliced chilies, and some spring onions. We also have garlic ginger paste, fresh coriander. We'll cook with the usual spices, fenugreek here, some methi. We're going to use only in this one some jeera. That's cumin in the middle there. So the garlic and ginger paste, a bit of salt. You've got the usual spices. I'll run through that. All the full ingredients is in the description box. Touch of water. We're going to cook that with oil. And our special ingredient at the end, a little bit of butter. This for two people, or one person if you're very hungry. A couple of chicken breasts. We're just going to use oil there. Now, I'm cooking in a stainless steel frying pan here. I'd say there's about 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So this has been heating up nicely the frying pan on a medium heat. So I'm going to reduce that now so I don't want to burn. Now I've got a teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin here. So that's going to sizzle away, as you can see, look at that. I'm going to add a half of Indian Bayleaf, Tejpatta. So we whack the heat up now. Then we add the green chilli. Flavor the oil there. So that gives a nice background heat to the oil. Then we add the onion. You might have noticed I don't add the garlic first. I find that gives a bitterness to the dish and an overriding garlic flavor. But now we whack up the heat. This is going to be cooked on quite a high heat. Now that's cooking away now. Now we add spring onions there. And this is just the greens. I've got quite a lot of greens. With a quick karahi. Everyone can make this at home quite easy. So we've got a nice big pinch of Methi, Fenugreek, Kasuri, adds a nice background flavor. So let them onions soften a little. Point, I want to add garlic. So this is about, I'll say, a couple of breasts, about 400 to 500 grams. So there's a teaspoon of garlic, and the same with some ginger. As you imagine, in the restaurant we have a higher flame on this. Onions are getting nice color on there. Now I'm going to add our spices. So it can be quite a bit robust, this. A bit of a stuffed curry. So a bit of turmeric, 1 teaspoon. So we've got 2/3 teaspoon of chili powder, about 2/3 of paprika, whole teaspoon of cumin, whole teaspoon of coriander, and then about half teaspoon of garam masala. And I've got some chili flake, so just a little bit of chili flake there. It's a nice pinch. Give that a stir because now it can start burning. As you see, look at that. It's starting to get hot. Yeah, we want the color. So you add tomatoes to that. Bit of moisture, not too much. Now we add a little bit of water, just so it doesn't burn. I would use deglaze, can you see? We're deglazing the pan. And I want the tomatoes in slices as well. You'll see in a moment why. So it just looks nicer. You can add whatever you want to this actually, if you want peppers or whatever you have lying around. But there we're deglazing. That creates a nice base there. Remember, this is on high heat still, so we've already done the base there. And add some coriander. Now we're going to add the chicken. Cut into strips to make it cook quicker. So that way, you just want it to cook quite evenly and very quick. If you want it even quicker, you can actually poach the chicken if you want, but the cold chicken has reduced the heat in the pan a little. Look at that. We're just gonna let the chicken change in color and add a bit more kasuri methi there. So it's got a lot of robust flavors in this. So that's on high heat, let it cook out. Let me know that I've added no more water now because that's just going to have a lot of flavor to that. Look at that. We're just waiting for that chicken to basically cook through before I add a little bit of liquid. Now this dish we eat with roti. Easy to eat with roti or chapatis or naans because of the strips. So this has been approximately 9 minutes now since we started. And you can see it's already cooking through. That's beautiful. So give it a minute or two. That'll cook through. Add a bit of water, then we simmer it for 5 minutes or until it's fully cooked through, and that's it, it's done. That's an amazing quick chicken stuffed karahi. And you can see that's cooked through the chicken. So we add enough water there. So we just want to cover that, fairly high heat. Let that come to a boil, then we put the heat down. Just let it simmer 5 minutes or so until it's completely tender in the oil. And it's risen. So it's been 11 minutes now since we started. And we've got an amazing chicken curry. I'm not going to say 10 minutes. It's going to take about 15 minutes approximately. 20 minutes maximum for this dish. So that's coming to a boil. What we're going to do is just let that simmer, reduce the heat a little bit, put a lid on, and we come back in 5 minutes and finish it off with a bit of butter. That's been cooking for, let's say, about 3-4 minutes now. Have a look how it's become. Oh, look at it. See? So now I want to cook it without the lid because I want it to dry up quite a bit. Look at that. So whack the heat up. I'm going to cook that on full heat now. I'm going to reduce the sauce so it's quite dry, full of flavor. Then we're going to add a bit more coriander and some butter just to give that nice flavor. About 3 minutes, it's almost done. Now if you notice, look, it's dried out quite a lot now. Cooking this for in total about 20 minutes now. And now I'm going to add, say, a big teaspoon of butter to this. I'm going to add a bit of richness there. Okay. That creates a nice sauce, the butter. Nice strips. You see the gravy there? I said you want it too wet, but that's almost done now. So you can see we're almost at the end there. Just to finish that off, just add nice coriander, taste for the seasoning, salt there, not too much. Look at that. That is a beautiful. It was very quick. Just half karahi. Look at that. So let's switch that off. I said lots of coriander in this dish. I love it. One pan, very quick chicken stuff. Karahi, 20 minutes cooking, and add a bit more flavor. Sprinkle a tiny bit of kind of masala at the end. There you have it. Beautiful dish. Chicken stuff karahi. How easy is that?